Welcome back to Next Gear, where performance meets passion and machines become more than just tools. They become lifestyle enablers. Today, we're diving into something that doesn't just turn heads, it drops jaws. Meet the 2026 Mercedes Unimog 6x6 camper, a beast of engineering that redefines overlanding and sets a new benchmark for expedition vehicles. Asterisk, let's start with the exterior, because this thing makes a statement before you even turn the key. The 2026 Unimog 6x6 camper looks like it was designed to colonize Mars and maybe come back for round 2. With its massive ground clearance, portal axles, and signature aggressive stance, this is not your average off-roader. The front fascia is distinctly Mercedes, but with a militarized twist. Sleek LED headlamps are embedded into a reinforced bumper that doubles as a winch mount and crash guard. The grille is bold and industrial, flanked by mesh inlets for optimal engine breathing. It's not just about aesthetics, it's all about purpose. Asterisk, the body is coated in a matte, scratch-resistant finish that can handle tree branches, desert grit, and basically any abuse the wild throws at it. Large, functional fenders wrap around all 6 of its massive off-road tires, each one designed for deep mud, loose sand, and sharp rock. Those tires ride on beadlock wheels, and the underbody is fully armored, complete with skid plates and rock sliders. There's nothing delicate here. Everything has been engineered for punishment and endurance. Asterisk above the cab. A full-length roof rack integrates solar panels, floodlights, and storage cases. The rear camper module is seamlessly mated to the chassis with insulated composite walls, double-paned windows, and external access hatches for water, power, and gear. There's also a fold-down patio and integrated awning, because just because you're in the middle of nowhere doesn't mean you can't chill in comfort. Asterisk, step around the back, and you'll find a hydraulic spare tire lift and a foldable motorcycle ramp. This thing is ready for any adventure, whether you're going from Patagonia to Alaska or simply escaping to your secret weekend hideout. From front to rear, it screams capability, intention, and raw utility. Asterisk, but what makes the Unimog legendary isn't just how it looks, it's what it can do. So let's talk performance. Asterisk under the hood, the 2026 Unimog 6x6 camper is powered by a 6.4-liter inline-6 diesel engine, turbocharged and intercooled to produce around 395 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 1,200 Newton-meters of torque. That's not a typo. This thing pulls like a freight train. But it's not just brute force. It's smart engineering. The torque is perfectly calibrated for low-end grunt, essential for rock crawling, deep sand, and heavy towing. Asterisk matched to a fully synchronized 8-speed transmission with low-range gearing and selectable differential locks on all 3 axles. The drivetrain is practically unstoppable. Shift into off-road mode and you'll activate Mercedes' proprietary terrain response system, which automatically adjusts throttle sensitivity, shift mapping, and traction control based on real-time feedback. Whether you're descending a 45-degree slope or fording a river, the Unimog maintains composure that makes even extreme terrain feel manageable. Asterisk. What sets this 6x6 apart is the advanced suspension system. It's an independent, coilover shock setup with adaptive dampers and 3-stage air adjustment. You can lift or lower the entire vehicle depending on your terrain or clearance needs. And thanks to its central tire inflation system, you can reduce tire pressure on the fly straight from the cockpit for maximum traction in soft ground. Asterisk handling? Don't expect sports car dynamics. It's a 6x6 weighing nearly 10 tons fully loaded, but the steering is precise. Visibility is commanding. And thanks to rear steer capability, it's surprisingly maneuverable for such a colossal platform. Towing capacity is rated well above most full-size pickups, and the waterfording depth is a ridiculous 1.2 meters. No trails? No problem. The 2026 Unimog makes its own asterisk now. We wouldn't call the Unimog luxurious in the traditional sense, but step inside the camper module and you'll find something unexpected comfort with purpose. There's a full wet bath with integrated toilet and shower, a queen-sized Murphy bed, and a fully equipped kitchenette with an induction cooktop, fridge-freezer combo, and stainless steel sink. The materials are durable but not Spartan thick. Marine-grade vinyl, real wood trim, and brushed metal accents. Climate control, smart lighting, and a touchscreen command center round out the space, letting you monitor battery life, tank levels, solar input, and even GPS tracking. Asterisk, the driving cab itself blends utility and tech. You've got a digital instrument, cluster, off-road telemetry display, and connectivity through Mercedes' latest MBUX system. It supports voice command, navigation, and remote diagnostics, all while withstanding brutal conditions. The seats are heated, air suspended, and ergonomically designed for long days on unpredictable roads. Asterisk, so who is this for? It's for those who refuse to be limited by pavement, power outlets, or traditional itineraries. The 2026 Mercedes Unimog 6x6 camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a tool for freedom. A mobile fortress. A rolling base camp for life beyond the grid. Asterisk. This is Next Gear, and we're just getting started. If you're into overlanding, extreme vehicles, and the cutting edge of off-road engineering, hit that subscribe button and stay locked in. Because this is what happens when Mercedes decides the world isn't big enough. Asterisk. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.